Hello, my lovelies. This is Hansa, your mentor for newborn photography, and today we are talking about business. So, by this time, you are all set with all the training, you are confident that you will be able to handle a newborn, you have an idea of styling the newborn baby, and you have your own collection of props, wraps, backdrops, and everything that you need. How will people know that you are offering such an amazing service? You will say, I have been uploading in Facebook photos every day and I'm getting very good response. People are telling that my work is really good, but nobody is paying me, nobody is hiring me. I have been getting comments in Instagram, but still I'm not getting any customers. My work is really good, but people do not know that I'm offering such a great service. So, what do we do about it? And we come to the $1,000,000 question: how do I get customers? Not just photography, but in any business, you need to have a solid marketing plan. And your marketing plan starts with understanding your user group first. As a newborn photographer, your user or your consumers are newly parents or pregnant women, because it makes sense to start marketing to pregnant women, because they will book you before 14 days of the birth or within 15 days of birth of their baby. Otherwise, you have crossed the golden period. So you have to target your relevant user group. Now, within your family, friends who are actually your Facebook friends, who are actually commenting and liking your photos, they may or may not be your ideal customers. Yes, they can refer you to somebody in need, and word of mouth is an amazing source of lead in photography, but that can't be your only source of lead, and that is why you need to have different marketing plan. First things first, it's a very common that you need to have your own portfolio. I think by the time you should be already having your own portfolio. Portfolio is the collection of your bestest of best work. It is like a visiting card which you can give to anyone. Now, there are websites for portfolio like 500x, Behance, and Facebook, etc. Websites like 500px and Behance, they do a great job in showcasing your true work, because in Facebook, the photo size is compressed and you may not get the best quality. But Facebook is a social network, and the reach it offers cannot be compared with that of 500px or Behance. And that is why many photographers, including me, use Facebook, even though the quality is compromised little bit because of its reach. And most of the potential user, they will be accessing Facebook in their mobile. So the loss of quality is still okay, at least for me. That is why it is advisable that you should have your own photography page. That's a no-brainer. I think most of you already been having. And your Instagram page should not be Sarah, but it should be Sarah's Photography. Now, of late, Facebook's organic reach has been decreased a lot, which means Facebook wants you to use their paid advertisement so that they can earn money. Nothing is free in this world. So that's still a personal decision, but I have used Facebook paid marketing and it has worked for me a lot. There are other marketing options, free marketing options. Let's just talk about that. First one is having the search engine optimization. That means you are having a website and it is optimized as per the keyword search. Now, let's say somebody is looking for a newborn photographer and they will search in Google newborn photographer in your city. If your website is search engine optimized for those keywords, then your result will come on the top, and it is absolutely free, but it's not that easy. Search engine optimization of a website takes quite some time, needs expertise, and it does not give you result overnight. You need to do it consistently for a couple of months before you can see some actual results. Now, search engine optimization is not a scope of this program. We have a separate business mastery for that, because that's a little technical in subject, but definitely you can do it yourself. Next comes, as I already mentioned, social media marketing, which means you pay some amount to Facebook or Instagram so that they show the ad to relevant users. Now, any of the social media marketing, the best part is that it offers to show only to the users who could be interested. And there are many options in Facebook by which you can target your specific user. And we have created a video to get you started on Facebook business. Now, Facebook business marketing or Facebook ad, again, it's a separate chapter in itself, which we have covered in our photography business mastery. You can access it anytime. But just to getting started, just if you want to learn how to use it, or just you want to get started with doing your first ad, we have got you covered in this program itself. Same goes for Instagram. And in Instagram, hashtag plays a lot of role. So you need to use the right hashtags in Instagram. And within Facebook ad, you can also target for Instagram and some other networks as well. One big question everyone asks is that, hey, I don't have a portfolio. Now, I specialize in newborn photography, but I don't have a lot of clients. I'm having a hard time in getting clients. How do I get portfolio? How do I get photos which I can showcase again and again or to some potential clients? Any successful photographer, including me, at some point of time, they have worked for free.